Okay, our last two prefix suffixes for this sheet, we have number 19 aero and number 20 anti. So number 19 aero, as in aerobic or anaerobic. So I explained to you what anaerobic meant. So what would that mean for aerobic without the A or N? Aero means needing oxygen or air. So when I'm talking about aerobic or aerobic respiration, I'm talking about the production of energy using oxygen. If I'm talking about anaerobic, I'm talking about the production of energy without oxygen. Can your last prefix suffix is anti, as in antibiotics, antisocial? Anti means against. So if you look at the word antibiotics, antibiotics literally means against life. So if I go to the doctor because I'm feeling sick and they send me out with a prescription for antibiotics, then do they believe that I have a bacterial infection or do they believe I have a viral infection? So if a doctor gives you antibiotics, then they believe or they know for sure, based upon testing, that you have a bacterial infection. Bacteria are alive. Viruses technically are not considered alive because they can't reproduce on their own. They have to have a host do the reproduction for them.